Hi YouTube, this is Automotive with Adam Levine. I'll be resetting the all maintenance light on the 2011 BMW X5. What you want to do, you want to hit the start button twice. See how all the lights light up? All right. Okay. You're going to be using this button right here. What you want to do, you want to hold it till you see that pop up, and then this. All right, then you press it once. Click, keep clicking, you see how it's going through. You want it on that right there, you hold it, let it go, see it say okay, hold it, let it go, okay, all life has been reset. All right, subscribe to the page, thank you.